Using Shippo with Shopify enhances your shipping process by automating label creation and providing access to multiple carriers. Here's how to integrate and use Shippo with your Shopify store. Create a Shippo account. Start by signing up for a free account at Shippo. This will allow you to access shipping tools and features. Install the Shippo app in Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for the Shippo app. Click on Add App to install it into your Shopify store. Connect Shippo to Shopify. After installation, log into your Shippo account. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store, granting Shippo access to your orders. Configure shipping settings. In Shippo, set your shipping preferences, including package dimensions, weight, and default carriers. This helps in generating accurate shipping rates. Generate shipping labels. When you receive an order in Shopify, navigate to Shippo. Select the order, enter the shipping details, and choose a carrier. Click Buy a Label to generate your shipping label. Print and track shipments. Print the label directly from Shippo and attach it to your package. Shippo also provides tracking information, which you can share with customers.